Hi everyone, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. In today's episode, we will explore correlation analysis in MedCalc using a real biomedical dataset. We will learn how to create a scatter diagram, understand the relationship between cholesterol and systolic blood pressure. Here is our example dataset with two variables. The first one for the systolic blood pressure, the blood pressure measurement, and another one for the variable, the cholesterol, the lipid level in blood. And now, how to calculate a correlation coefficients in MedCalc. Go to the top menu, select for the statistics option and select for the correlations and subcategory for the selected to the correlation coefficients. Then open the a new dialog box and the first one options for the variable y. Variable only selected for the variable y. Variable for our data set is cholesterol. So selected for the cholesterol data in variable y options. So cholesterol selected. Then next the variable x. Here the selected only for the independent variables. In our data set, the independent variable for the systolic blood pressure. So selected for the variable x options in systolic blood pressure. And another one for the filter. Example for you must filter only the male or only for patients over 40 years old. Then options use for the filter. And the right side of the correlation dialog box, the options menu for the logarithmic transformations y. Applies a log transformations to the y variable before calculating the correlations. Because the usage of the logarithmic transformation y in our data shaped are not normally distributed. The data is only the selected for the logarithmic transformation y options in checkbox, and the same method for the logarithmic transformations x options also. So now the click to the OK button and calculate for the correlation coefficients in MedCalc. So click the OK button. Now the calculate for the correlation coefficients in MedCalc software. The sample size is 20 and the correlation coefficients R value 0.99. The significance level for the p less than 0.0001 and 95% of confidence interval for R value 0.99 to 0.99, and the additional one options for the created in the scatter diagram for the MedCalc, the same data set. So click to the scatter diagram options, then open the new one dialog box for the MedCalc software. The data already selected is a y variable for the cholesterol in dependent variable and the variable x selected for the systolic blood pressure in independent variable. Then leave the filter box, and the right side of the scatter diagram, the dialog box in the option menu, the logarithmic transformation y and x also the same for the our data in handle the sacred distributions, and the another one for the line of equality. The apply a transforms to the xh data for the same purpose, and I selected for the checkbox in the heat map the density overlay. showing here the data point are concentrated. And the next one for the subgroup, the click to the subgroups option to specific for the categorical variable, the only for the general or treatment group options. So the next one for the trend line options, the show the trends lines. In the four options for the moving the average trends line and losing the smoothing and reduce the major axis line and isotonic regression curve. The first one for the moving average trends line, the plot a smoothed line based on the average of neighboring point, specifically the number of n, the 5. And the next one for the looser smoothing, a locally weighted the regression lines, you specifically the smoothing span, the example for 80% and reduced major axis line. The useful for the method comparison studies, it minimize both x and y deviations. Then last one for the isotonic regression curve, that draws a non-decreasing the curve to the data only selected for the isotonic regression curves. In our data set for the biomedical data set, choose for the losing smoothing options the fan 80%, then click to the OK button. The created for the scatter plot in MedCalc software for the correlation coefficients data set. In the simple, the right click, the customized for the format marker, the choose for the marker color in the black and marker style also choose the second one, and the fill the color for the marker, choose the black, then click to the OK. So this is for the line and color changes for the marker. The font already the used for the time Roman is 17, so the no changes for the font. I already selected the time Roman. So this is for the calculate method in correlation coefficient and created a scatter plot in MedCalc software. If you found this helpful, don't forget the like and subscribe and share with your friends who are learning to the biomedical statistics. And stay tuned on for more episode on MedCalc software. If you any doubt, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. Thank you for watching this video.